So while I am studying biology right here I want to introduce you guys to the app called MemoNeat. So basically we all know like NCERT biology is really important for NEET, as most of the questions are directly asked from NCERT. But the problem with NCERT biology is that it is very vast and we often tend to forget it. MemoNeat app actually resolves that problem. So basically MemoNeat app have 15,000 plus MCQs and questions that are taken directly from the lines of NCERT, and they have different types of questions, for example jumble type questions and NCERT diagram based questions. So now the question is how to actually use this app. So firstly you need to read your NCERT. For example, I have this paragraph from NCERT which says unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence and performing the essential functions of life. And it also says that cell is the fundamental structure and function unit of life. And then there is also a line in the second paragraph that Robert Brown have discovered the nucleus. So then you just need to open the MemoNeat app and go to the cell chapter. So there is a question that unicellular organisms are, so we just said that they are capable of independent existence and perform all essential vital functions. So this should be the correct option. So the next question is to select the incorrect statement. So we just have read that Robert Brown have discovered the nucleus, not cells. So third option is incorrect. So in this way this app asks question from each and every line of NCERT. And this app also have a I repeat technology which helps you to move the NCERT lines from temporary short-term memory to the permanent long-term memory. So with free version you can solve questions from few paragraphs only. To solve questions from all the lines of NCERT you need to unlock full version. For that you need to pay 1000 rupees, but you guys can use up my code which is medvibes25 to get an extra 25% off and can get subscription for 750 rupees only. So I will link this app in the description box below. Do check it out.